position this camera properly. Hold on, guys. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Cynthia and you guys are welcome. How are you guys doing? Drop comment down below how you guys are doing. As for me, guys, I am doing great. Guys, I'm going grocery shopping to pick up some more tomatoes. As you guys may be aware, I do have a cooking channel. A while ago on my cooking channel, I uploaded how to make homemade tomato puree. Since I've been making my tomato puree at home, guys, I hardly buy tomato puree in the market apart from when I do upload my videos. Some of you guys may be aware that I do have a cooking channel. On that channel, guys, I created a channel mainly to help support individuals who may be struggling following the pandemic. As you guys may be aware, since the pandemic triggered, I would say, massive job losses, and that channel will help mainly people in the UK because the prices are basically UK prices here, and what shops you can get them from is on the stores that I picked up those items from. If you haven't subscribed to that channel, I'm going to say, please guys, do support me by subscribing to my channel, and of course guys, do share the video. On that channel I upload how to basically make large meals on tiny budget. If you're like me who's got a large family, you may find it beneficial. And yeah, and since I learned how to make my homemade tomato puree, I share it with you guys on that channel, and I have been making it myself at home. It is organic and I know what's inside basically, and I know how long I can keep them for, not for years anyway, months anyway, and then I'm good to go, you know. Anyway guys, let's go into the shop. These are 99p. My trolley is quite far. Alright, let me get my trolley. I think we need to get and pay now. My trolley is full. Okay guys, I'm all done. I'm on my way home. I'll talk to you guys when I get home and show you guys part of the items I got from Lidl. Guys, I bought a lot and I spent, for grocery items only, I think I spent about £70. Hence I shop in Lidl or Aldi. In my opinion, basically for myself, I feel I get more for my money there, so I stick with Lidl for now. But I was not able to buy some of my fruits, which I normally get from Morrison, but I won't do that today. I'll do that in a different day. I need to rush home to make lunch for the kids before they come back from school, so that is going to be my focus for now. So guys, I'll talk to you guys when I get home, so speak to you guys later. Okay guys, let me just give you guys a quick overview of what I got, and I probably might do a full grocery haul tomorrow. Okay guys, I've got some tomatoes here, and this is honey, not the one I normally buy, but it will do for when I'm making things like, how you call it now, KFC chicken. This honey, they do come in handy. Some egg, biscuit, poisson, cereal, and milk. For one reason, they didn't have any almond milk, which I normally buy, so I went for these dairy-free. They are dairy-free oat milk. Camera focus. Potatoes, because cereal in there, eggs. Here I've got more of my vegetables and pineapples, fruits, and I may do a full grocery haul tomorrow. It's not a promise, it's a might, but let's see how it goes. And here I've got croissants, which I will which the kiddos love. I've got 3 here. 3 of them like this, 1 of them don't like this. I bought only 3. And then here I have donuts. I have 5 donuts in here. I'll treat myself for a donut today, so happy with something warm to drink, rest, and then sort these out later. I want to show you guys my t-shirt. I've shown you guys before though, but for my new subscribers, what do you guys think about my top? It's got my name at the back. Cynthia. Anyway, okay guys, these are some of the items I got. I didn't show you guys all because I need to make something warm for me to drink, rest, and then start making lunch before my kiddos come from school. It's few minutes to 12, as you guys can see. And I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. And if you do love the vlog, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share the video, and of course guys, subscribe. It is free to subscribe. So I will see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Bye. Okay, what I'm about to do guys is what we YouTubers call thumbnails. So I'm going to look for a thumbnail here and probably go, I don't know how I'm going to do it, but it can be hard looking for a thumbnail sometime, but you have to be patient basically with yourself. I picked up some Christmas stuff. Okay guys, I don't know if you can see me, but hopefully you can see me. guys. I've got work to do. I've got things to do.